Hey guys, this is Amjaved with another tutorial about how we can import and export vendors list using QuickBooks Desktop. Well, it's a good thing if the vendors list is growing, but adding them all manually will take a lot of time. Instead, it's a good idea to add them by importing using another program like Excel or CSV files, etc. It will add all the vendors at once and will save a lot of time. Anyhow, to import vendors list, go to the Vendors Center and click on Excel drop down and select Import from Excel. You can select the Paste from Excel option too. Both of these options will take us to the same place and then click on Yes. Here is the vendor we have added earlier. Anyhow, by clicking on the View field drop down, you can select whether what list of vendors do you want to view. On the other hand, in the List drop down field, you can select whether what list do you want to import. At this point in time, I am going to import vendors list. That's why I'm not going to change it. And if you already have a big list of vendors, you can find one by writing his or her name in the Find field. Or you can click on this icon for some advanced search. Anyhow, here is the vendors list that I want to import. And on the Excel file, I have fewer columns than the ones I see on QuickBooks. Well, by clicking on this Customize Column button, we can either add or remove columns we don't need, so that we can match the columns of this window with the Excel file we have. Now I'm removing the ones I don't need and adding the ones I need, which is vendor type. Moreover, we can position a column by moving up and down. Now the required columns have been matched and we can conveniently import our vendors list. Now, just copy the concerned column data from your Excel file and paste it into the QuickBooks window. Now select your vendors type one by one, and if all the vendors type is same, then just right click and select copy down. It will copy down that vendor type to all. Now just check your data if you need to make even more changes. And for the sake of example, I am duplicating one record and then click on Save Changes. Now it's informing that 6 vendors record have successfully been added and found one with some issue which need to be taken care of before adding. And when you look at the bottom, the QuickBooks is letting you know whether what issue it has found with this vendor record. So since it was a duplicated record, we can delete it instead of making any change and adding it to the list, and then click on Save Changes and select Active Vendors on the View field and then close the window. And here we have a nicely populated list of vendors imported into the QuickBooks. Well, let's say we already have a huge vendors list in QuickBooks which we want to export. So to export the vendors list, just select Export Vendor List under the Excel drop-down. It will open a small pop-up window where you will have 4 different options to select from. The first one is by creating a new worksheet, which means the list will be exported by creating a new workbook. The second one is by updating the existing worksheet. Here, just select your worksheet and update it with the current list of vendors. The third one is by replacing the existing worksheet, and exactly the same way, just select your worksheet, then replace it with the new vendors list. And the last option is to export the list by creating a CSV file. Well, at this point in time, I'm selecting the first option, which is exporting the vendors list by creating a new worksheet, and then click on Export. It will take a few seconds to export the vendors list. And here you can see that the vendors list has been exported, and we can just save the file. And since it's a macro enabled workbook, we can just save it by allowing it to save it as macro free workbook. And here is the vendors list we have just exported. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.